So good afternoon, everyone. It's Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness. So we're following up today with the combining foods that I had done on Wednesday here on the live. If you didn't catch it, go back to Wednesday and you'll see it in there. So we're talking about something that could be a little controversial for you. Not everybody is on board with food combining. But on Wednesday, we did talk about that a little bit, and we talked about different foods that you can combine that will help you to have a better digestion and to have some more energy. So one of the things we talked about was the fact that a lot of this comes from the Ayurvedic traditional holistic medicine. And we talked about combining fruits, and we talked about combining dairy and beans and legumes. So today I want to talk a little bit more about this and about vegetables. So we all know that you can't go wrong with vegetables, right? As long as they're cooked, they can be paired with pretty much anything other than dairy or fruit. So that might sound a little bit weird to you. Maybe you've in the past combined your vegetables with dairy and with fruit, but you know, if you are lacking in energy, excuse me, or you feel like you are not losing weight like you should, trying this food combining could be something that could be helpful to you. So another thing to think about is raw food. So if you're trying to aid your digestion, you should focus on making all of your foods as easily digestible as possible. So if you're eating something raw, don't pair it with cooked food. Cooked and raw foods are broken down at very different rates. So eating them together can be hard on your digestive system. So the raw foods will end up slowing down your digestion of your cooked foods. So we've talked about raw foods before from the perspective of your metabolism. And just to remind you that your metabolism is best and more sizzling in the morning and in the afternoons. So if you want to eat the raw foods, eat them in the morning and at lunchtime, and then save your cooked foods for the evening. You'll find that your metabolism stays more levelized and you digest your food better. So that's very short today, just finishing up on food combining. But I'd love to know what your thoughts are, because as I said, not everybody thinks about food combining and what it can do, but we do know that the digestive system is very sensitive and it doesn't take much to set it off. And especially as you get into midlife, it seems it's even worse for us. And you're probably all too familiar with that feeling of uncomfortable abdominal bloating and gas and cramps and even irregular bowel movements. So while you might be eating healthy, wholesome foods, you might give some thought to the way that you pair your foods so that you can have a better chance at better digestion, which gives you better energy and helps you better with your metabolism and with your weight loss. So I would love to know what you think about food combining. Have you thought about it before? Have you done this as a practice? And how does it work for you? Would love to know. So let me know in the comments, and let me know if you're watching this live, hashtag replay. And I want to remind you again, October is already, let me see, yes, it's the 18th of October today. Unbelievable. That means we've only got 2 more weeks of October left. So make the most of getting my Croctoberfest free offer. So it contains lots of soup recipes, crock pot recipes, and some ideas on how you can slow down this season as we go into the busy season. Starting 31st of October, we go like crazy, don't we, from that time of Halloween all the way through to the new year. So this will give you some ideas to slow down, help your digestion, as we've talked about, give you some great recipes, and I'll put the link in here for you so that you can go grab that and have some fun while you're doing it. So I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you have a great weekend. This is Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness, and I will talk to you later. Bye.